In 1545, the Spanish Empire found the ultimate cheat code, a mountain made entirely of silver, Potosi. The king thought he had infinite money. He was wrong. He had infinite inflation. When a government floods the streets with currency, the money doesn't make you rich, it makes your labor worthless. As millions of silver coins poured in, prices skyrocketed. Spain stopped producing goods. Why build factories and work hard when you can just buy everything from abroad? But the silver didn't stay in Spain. It flowed straight through the empire, directly into the shadows, into the hands of the elite Genoese bankers who financed the king's debts. The Spanish crown, sitting on the largest treasure in human history, went bankrupt 4 times. Fast forward to today. Replace the silver mountain with a central bank money printer. Replace the Spanish Empire with the modern reserve currency. The script is identical. Infinite money is a trap designed to transfer real wealth from the working class to the financial elite. Subscribe to Ego and Empire. The Matrix hasn't changed its code since 1545.